Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a business listing, business directory backlink. So the website name is dealerbaba.com and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. So before they started, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 59 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 37 and the spam score is only 3%, only 3%. Okay, and according to similar web, the website having 20.9k monthly visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, Vietnam, India, Chile and the Indonesia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So now we can start. Before they started, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, yeah. So you can see there is add your business button. You can click over there and there you can add your company name, and after that your contact person name, and after that you can add your city, so which is your main targeted city where our business located. And after that you can see there you guys can add your email addresses. Then you guys can add a mobile number and you guys have to verify you are not a robot and you can click for the submit button. Okay, then after that this website can send you a verification emails over your email ID. So you guys will see we received a verification email. So now you can click over there and our profile is verified. And now I can go to add some details about the businesses. So there you can add your website URL. There you guys can choose your established year. So you guys will choose which year your businesses are launched, and you guys can choose your specific country. There you guys can add your specific address. Oh my god. And there you guys can add your zip code about your company. So you can add a company description. So I have already generated, and there you guys can choose your category. So this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Video, I think. And you guys have to choose your subcategory, and there you guys can choose your all details, and there you guys can choose your password. Then you can click for the submit button. Sorry. So congratulations, your business information added and account created successfully. Please log in and add your products. So you can see as for the notification, our profile has been created. So you can see this is a customization dashboard, and now there you can, so this is a free package, and so you can see there is option you guys can add many things. So business name is this, and remove your businesses, and there is all details, and if you guys can want, then you can add. So you can see this is our, so if you can click over there, then you guys can found your listing landing page URL. So this is our listing landing page URL, and so you can see, so this is our business name, and there is all details, number, and so this is our website URL, and this is all details. And if you guys can want to modify something, so there is edit a profile button, you can click over there, and you guys will update your all details. And also the have option, they are now edit businesses, so you can click over there, and there where you guys can update something, details what you want for the changes. So this is a process for the business listing on dealerbaba.com. and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can found me or connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something from your side, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. And you can see there you guys can update your business logo, and there you guys can add your business social media channels. So they will asking me for the option, there is an option to can add a Facebook, Twitter, and the Pinterest. So we don't have Pinterest yet. Business type, service provider, and so this is a category, but we don't have a related category now, so we can choose other option. Then you guys have to click for the update button. So okay guys, so okay yaar, bye bye and take care.